This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for April 21st. Employers will be able to apply for the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy starting on Monday, April 27th. To prepare in the meantime, a Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy calculator has been made available online by the federal government. If you qualify for this benefit, you can use this calculator to help you estimate the amount of your wage subsidy. You can find additional details in the link to the calculator in our daily update. We received a response from Western Economic Diversification today, and were provided additional details on the $675 million through Canada's regional development agencies and the $287 million to support rural businesses and communities through the Community Futures Network. Both these programs had been announced on Friday, and they stated today that the eligibility details and an online application will be available on the Regional Relief and Recovery Fund page in the coming weeks, as they work to put in place the right mechanisms to assist you through these extraordinary circumstances. The AgriStability enrollment deadline for the 2020 program year has been extended without penalty from April 30th to July 3rd. This extension will allow farmers more time to sign up and benefit from the program. The Chamber's group insurance plan is continuing to work to assist businesses. They've worked hard to provide savings to firms as quickly as possible, and now retroactive to April 1st, they will provide a 50% premium reduction adjustment on dental and a 10% premium reduction adjustment on extended health. Those credits will be applied to your May billing, and there's nothing you need to do to access that. If you're a Chamber Plan client, those credits will be applied automatically. Johnson Insurance has announced updates to its customer care program in response to COVID-19. Through the automatic rebate, they will be giving all customers a 10% reduction of car insurance premiums for the months of April, May, and June, and flexible payment options have been made available to support their customers. You can find additional details and links through our daily update. The Government of Alberta announced support to increase staffing of healthcare aides and alleviate pressures in contracted continuing care facilities. Supports include additional funding to allow for increased healthcare aide staffing levels, a wage top-up of an additional $2 per hour for healthcare aides, and up to 1,000 paid student practicum positions. In addition, $24.5 million is being advanced to operators to help address immediate cost pressures. The Family and Community Support Services program has been amended to temporarily allow funding to be used for food supply issues during the pandemic. Because COVID-19 is having a disproportionate impact on those most vulnerable, it's created a greater need for community-based organizations. As such, the Government of Canada is providing an additional investment of $350 million to charities and nonprofit organizations through the Emergency Community Support Fund in order to deliver essential services to those in need. The investment will flow through national organizations that have the ability to get funds quickly to local organizations that serve vulnerable populations. With small and medium-sized businesses representing nearly 90% of all private sector employment in Canada, we know they're being hit the hardest by COVID-19. You can join the Canadian Chamber Senior Director of Parliamentary Affairs to learn what support measures are available and what the Chamber Network is doing to advocate on behalf of you. You can watch that video on demand through a daily update. In terms of new resources and webinars, Finance Canada has produced a refined search tool to help businesses find the financial supports they may be eligible for, including direct financial support programs, access to credit, and more. You can find the search tool in our daily update, and we'll post it to our COVID-19 information page. There are some new webinars that have been added, and two that are noteworthy would be one with Mayor Ted Clugston on April 23rd at noon. You can join that webinar by registering and hear Mayor Clugston answer some questions posed by business owners, sole proprietors, partnerships, individuals, and residents. In addition, the Colleges and Institutes Canada organization will be offering a free webinar on April 29th for SMEs interested in knowing more about the innovation and research supports available through local colleges. So you can find more information through the link in our daily update. We encourage you to stay tuned to these daily updates and to check out all of the webinars and resources available to you. Until tomorrow, take care.